sitama, itaanguka. Hii hold tu pia mimi na hold. Okay, so unaona ukitrade from that premise, so you're trying to say we already created high of the week, so nituanguke nayo, you know. So high of the week created plus today, like London session it may happen. So for those people who are trading New York delayed protraction, I mean London delayed protraction, sell profile, so ni hapa, you know. But sasa ni extension ya New York as in extension ya London. So kitu yenye tulikuwa tunataka ifanyike London, so London delayed protraction model, so like move imekuja ika happen during New York, so ndio maana unaona hiyo move imefanyika hivyo. But then ni poa pia kuconsider, usikwe greedy pia, like yeah, usikwe greedy but make sure to stop zako umescale, stop yako umescale, hivyo tu. And also leo tuko na unemployment claims, ukiangalia calendar. Cooper info buys. Okay. So I want to go over this real quick. Okay, then we start the day, we start the morning session. Yeah, so this is a trade I took yesterday night, the PM session, after taking three losses live. Yeah, so yesterday I took three losses live before my power went off, so sorry about that. Yeah, so yesterday I took three losses. Yesterday we took three losses live. Okay, so our first loss was this one. So yesterday's three losses, the first loss was this one. After price returning back into this first presented fair value gap, I went short 10. Wanted to see this low, and then it failed, return into the IAVG, this fair value gap, and then yeah, I kept doing this. It was really bullish yesterday, so was taken out there. My stop was just above this candles high. This candles high, so was taken out. So that was our first trade, first execution. Went short, was taken out, stop was there. Second one, immediately price returned into the first presented fair value gap again. Yeah, after taking out these relatively equal highs and also this high. So what happened? I was looking for this at this fair value gap. Yeah, immediately this level promised to hold. I saw this move, this run, so I tried getting short because I was anticipating a fair value gap here, but then it didn't give that and took me out. So as I was going through these trades yesterday, so I realized one thing. So immediately I saw this, yeah, everything I wanted for price to do, it could not give me. So normally what I normally do, I wait for price to trade above this level, and then as it's returning into this first presented fair value gap, I normally go long, and then my stop, I normally just put it just below the first presented fair value gap slow. But I think I should have learned better, also after seeing all this choppiness. So I should have expected something like this. But then it's not that every day you'll come to the marketplace with the right the proper mindset. So at times utapigwa chenga, at times utakuwa unapigwa chenga. So yesterday all three executions lost, yeah, and then finally nilikuja nikashika move sasa PM session, so ilikuja ikamitigate hizo losses zote. So PM session, what happened? time. So PM session, what I normally look for is just time. So 2:30, where is 2:30? So 2:30, this is what I look for. Any highs and any lows that was formed before 2. So we're having this high, this low, and this high. So this high relatively equal. So easy highs ni smooth. So hiyo ndo kitu nakuja kuangalia. This high smooth. Then between noon and 2 or 1:30, where's the low and the high that you're having? We're having these relatively equal highs, we're having this low. So do we take out this low by 2:30? So we take it before 2:30, so we take it out at to 18, so I have to wait. So anticipate such things, so such choppiness. So once price trades into a price level before time, then expect for some choppiness, and then after this choppiness, simply just accumulation, then wait for the manipulation. Wait and see if price wants to gyrate higher. Okay, so what I did, I waited, I saw this run, and then there's second one, so I was anticipating this to be a breaker. So there's low, high, lower, low, there's a breaker block. So as it was trading there, so immediately this candle closed, I entered long into this zero drawdown. You see, it just went higher, went higher, went higher. So I was scaling my stop. I have the recording, I'll post it. And then took out 10, 10, so took out 10, then 5, then left a runner here. So these highs were engaged, so ilikuwa sawa. So today, 2 minutes to the open, 2 minutes to the open. Yes, W Odur, welcome, karibu sana. So today, I want to see what happened. Unajuaje place ya kutarget? So una target liquidity, so system yangu, mostly what I target is if we are having relatively equal highs or relatively equal lows above or below price, then that's my target. Yeah. Or if price is going to engage it first, then my next draw is either a higher time frame imbalance, that's something like a fair value gap, or higher time frame order block, so something like that. So today, so we opened here. Acha niangalie hii kwanza. So nitakuwa na focus na Nasdaq. Yes, niaje Hyperman. So today we are having this so yesterday, after taking those 3 losses, I came and traded the PM session. And so hapa tuko na hiyo higher time frame fair value gap, sijui ni 1 hour ama gani. Acha nione. I guess ni 4H. Ni daily. Chat iko chafu. Acha nataka kutoa hizi marking zote. I want to remove all the drawings, then we start afresh. Then let me remove the executions juu. So leo tuko na mtu wetu wa pivot bado. Yeah, sijui ameenda wapi. So mtu wetu wa pivot, but anajua kitu anafanya. Umeconnect aje TradingView na. So acha nitoe hizi labels. So higher time frame tuko na hii daily fair value gap. Hii hapa ndo kitu ina drive price for me, and also we having this high and also this high. So hii high na hii high smooth. So kama tunaweza engage leo, yeah, then tutajua. So acha ni mark, but then nitaitoa tu. So hii ndo kitu ina track price. Umeconnect TradingView na MT5. TradingView na MT5, I make sense like hiyo swali yako. Ama kama kuna mwenye anajua na anaweza mjibu. So right now kuna wale watu wa kutrade CRT, sijui what. So watu wa CRT, hiyo 4H candle imechukuliwa, so next ni hiyo So sijui ikishachukuliwa tena wanataka kureverse ama nini. So hiyo ni shida yao watu wa CRT. Sisi tunaangalia vitu zetu. So if we close in the next 30 minutes, tunataka kuona if this one can become an order block. So the highs that I was talking about, E high na E high. So easy levels like ni smooth. Ukichora hiyo line, hizo levels like ni smooth hivyo. Oh, doing executions. Si kuna panel ya broker hapa chini. Kuna nini ya broker hapo chini unaweza connect. So ni 532, ni 932. Yeah. So soma tu charts utaambiwa. So today I was watching this price action, so kutoka morning. So I wanted to see. So immediately we took out this sangapi. So morning nilikuwa na watch, I was looking ilo ikakuja ikachukuliwa, then we created this high, and now we took out this low. Okay, so ilo hapa imechukua hii, this high, this low. So hii level hapa hivi, this ICT breaker block. Okay, so this was something I was watching closely. Okay, so the fact that imetupea hapa fair value gap, yeah, I mean see fair value gap, order block on the 15 minutes. So tunai watch hii level hapa, this low, high, lower, low. So there's something to watch. Tunataka kuona venye price ina engage hii level. So 5 minutes tuone sasa like vitu zetu sasa kama ziko. So hii level, like hii level, so 5 minutes. I'm also watching at this unaona hii IFVG. So hii IFVG, so hapa tuko na volume imbalance. So hii level yote like iko kwa mind yangu, the all of this. So can price revisit this level, but staki like close huku chini. If we are to be bullish, then I don't want to see price stay huku chini. That is if it can come back and give us this. But then if it's extremely bullish, then let it just expand higher. So this IAVG, and also huku chini tuko na hizi relatively equal lows. Acha ni washow. Acha ni washow. So easy lows, like easy relatively equal lows. Okay, so like Kuna venye ziko slightly below EIFVG. So hii ni level poa like ya kuwatch. Tuna watch tu, we are still not doing anything. Okay? So we are building our framework. The framework for our model. So kama itatupea like what we want, it tick boxes zote, then tutasaka execution. But before that, right now price iko kwa premium, like imeshinda tu toka jana, imeshinda tu ikifly, you know. Ndio hiyo narudi. So sasa tuone like first presented fair value gap. So tushafanya hizo vitu zetu zote, yeah. So unaona these levels like zenye tumemark kwa hiyo 15 minutes time frame na 5 minutes na hizo zote. So right now kitu like niko interested nayo ni tuko na hizi levels, ilo na hii. Kama like ziko smooth, then tunataka kuona kama market inaweza make jagged, but then we don't want to see it stay huku sana. Hatutaki kuona hii overstay huku. Week inaweza kuja hivi. So right now ishatupea first presented fair value gap. So nataka ni dimizi and then okay, still staki iende juu. So imetupea first presented fair value gap. So hii level pia like juu nishaijua naitoa. So hiyo level ya juu, first presented fair value gap, it has given us this, unless you guys are seeing something else. For me, that's my first presented fair value gap. So I normally like this color for my first presented fair value gap. So let me just write first presented fair value gap. So right now price imerudi into it, and hii breakout pia tuna watch, and then huku chini tuko na hizi level. So leo price like ni tricky sana, sile ya kujua inataka kwenda wapi chap chap. So leo tuna watch if it does this. So imereact to hiyo level tumemark huko juu, ikarudi hivi. Hii breaker ndio hiyo iko sensitive, right? First presented fair value gap, kama inaweza support ina draw ikuje huku chini, you know. So kama hii break, hii first presented fair value gap inaweza i hold kinda, yeah, i hold, let it hold this price, take it toward this relatively equal low, okay, and then as it's doing that, so kuna wale wenye wanataka short, there are those people want to sell, still fine, it's good. So we want to see it trade lower, take out this low. So as it's taking this low, we also having this so these relatively equal lows, we also having IFVG there, 5 minutes IFVG. mm, and by there guys, one thing, uh, if you have your own opinion or your own, if you see in your system, okay, just execute your system, okay, don't depend on my analysis, and don't copy anything that I'm doing. Yeah, don't copy anything that I'm doing. Just depend on your own analysis, your knowledge of the marketplace, your idea of the marketplace. I don't want you to dwell or rely on my analysis, because at times I might be wrong. Yeah, I'm not always right. You saw yesterday I took those 3 losses live, okay? Mm. So this level is promising to hold. That's good. But then, even if it wants to trade higher, then until it takes or it engages this level, then that's when I might be interested. But then, if it just rockets higher without engaging this lows, then I'll just watch. So this level, if it can hold, push price lower, take out this lows, but then don't spend too much time below these levels. Yeah, so your level it may hold. So we'll just watch. So it's not a must that price itafanya kitu nataka. The market is your boss. Yeah. So it doesn't give a rat's posterior about your levels. Hizo levels zenye umemark. Collins, what's funny? So this breaker, let me show you guys from the 5 minutes. Yeah, so this level here, it may hold, nice. Okay, so level tulikuwa tunataka, it has not given us, so we wanted this low. Still fine. So yes, imeenda tu. Mm. Mhm. Crazy, 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 crazy. Ay, ay, ay. Alfayo bana. So acha to hii level but still tumeimark hapo. Chat sikuwe na hizo colors mingi. So today we're having uh, employment claims, or is it unemployment claims? Forex factory. Unemployment claims. Mm. So ilikuwa ishafanyika 8:30. Oops. So Thursday and Friday there's no news. Ama ni mimi ndo naona. Thursday, Friday no news. We? Itakuwaje? No news Thursday, no news Friday. So there's order block. It may hold. Nice. 1H. Kuna a buy side. Kuna hii buy side and then kuna hii buy side ingine, sijui kama mnaweza ona. Kuna hii level. So I'm watching, naangalia hizo two levels and then huko juu mnajua tuko na hiyo daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap. Yeah, so daily fair value gap iko tu hapo. So 950 1010. Hapo unaweza saka setup. It's on a leash. Iko na maubaya. Yeah. Wale wenye walikuwa wameingia long. See, iko na maubaya. Inawashtua, inawatishia kidogo. Kidogo tu, kidogo. So the fact that to me haikunipea hizi levels, ingekuwa any other day like ingenipea hizi levels then iende hivi. So venye ilikuwa inarudi tu hivi ningeingia kwa hii. Yeah, ingenipea confidence fulani poa ya kuingia kwa hii. Venye imerudi kwa hii first presented fair value gap. Kesho bank holiday. Yes, dumping. So kesho ni bank holiday. Na Friday je? So acha tuone hiyo. Nice. Yes, pia iko na hizi equal laws. Wow. Ama to change tuangalie yes. Nice. Hii ni tamu sana. Hizi laws hapa hivi ni equal, smooth. Hapa pia ni smooth. Kesho bank holiday. So hii nini ya yes inakaa safi kushinda hii. Okay. We can still look at this. So tuone. Oops. So 9:30. So hii hapa ndo inakaa ndogo. Then tunaweza tumia hii kama first presented. Okay, just my idea. So wale watu wa kuangalia yes. Kama hii si first presented fair value gap yako, then I'm sorry. Maybe umeweka kwa hii ingine. Self targeting nende. So hii yes inakaa fiti. So hii hapa so leo ni kama I'm hoeing around these pairs. Okay, I love the yes. Leo tuseme tu kweli napenda hii chart. So nice. Hii hapa napenda hii chart. Hii hapa iko na kila kitu nataka nione. Everything I want to see. It has everything I want to see. So mwenye alikuwa ameingia hapo nice. I might try that. So what happens ni, so I want to believe price inaweza return into this but not here huku juu, and also itakuwa high probability if it doesn't trade above this first presented fair value gaps high. So that something like that. Nice. We, mwenye alikuwa ametuonyesha yes, thank you mazee. So I guess nitakuwa naanza kuangalia yes na nitakuwa naangalia yes na NQ, okay? Ekiru 1 to 3 are done for the day. Nice one. Nice. Your race per trend ndio lazima ichange, sio kama NQ. Yeah, hiyo ndo kitu nimeona hapa hivi. Like nimeona sasa okay, just trading yes, so I guess hiyo ni kitu sasa like nitakuwa naangalia. So imechukua hizi laws hapa. Nataka nichukue 5 off alafu nibaki na hizo zingine. So email hizo laws zimechukuliwa. Kuna hiyo fair value gap hii hapa. So hii fair value gap na hapa pia kuko na hiyo order block. So this fair value gap huko juu tuko na hiyo order block, so iki breach 1 2 3 then tutoe, then we are really wrong. So iki trade tena hapa chini natoa, nataka nitoe 5 baki na hizo zingine. Acha nione NQ. So NQ imetoa hii level, hizi lows nikatrade hii level yetu. Not good, not good, not good. Hiyo trade iko risk free. Iko risk free juu close above this fair value gap. So acha tutoe alafu turudi kwa NQ yetu. NQ yenye tumezoea. NQ. NQ imeenda poa pia. Yes, is one thing. Is the one thing X. NQ's girlfriend will break you and still love you. NQ inanipiga kitu kuanzia jana. Otiske. Great, good. Niko sales targeting single ya 15 minutes. Nice. So if it can give me this low again, natoa like 5. Karudi hii nitoke. So the fact that ijarudi back into this level, so if ya value gap tumeipita tukarudi, so tukipita tena sasa ikarudi na nitoke. So if ya value gap ikwe IAVG, hii price drive huku chini. So we want to see that. So can you pokea stick yako? Yeah, jana mimi nimepigwa, jana nimepigwa vidungi safi. And then guys, siji kama like hii chart inaonyesha hii full interface. Like kama mnaona hizi side hapa mali na point. Not good. Mziamuoni. Sijui nitafanyaje. Nkwa impasse. Say nkwa negative 700 tena. Iko sawa hivyo sasa. But sasa hivi mtaona. Okay. but usifight price. Otiske Otis kikidhao gi price, don't. So utakuona NQ imefanya nini. So hiyo inatutoa ishanitoa. Mbona itake kunini? Error ya trading view. Okay. Now acha tufocusie kitu tunajua. Let's focus on our NQ. So guys, so these levels that we targeted right there, boom, nice. So let me show you something. We took out those relatively equal lows, nice. IAVG, nice. Unaona hiyo. So hii level like so tulikuwa tumeenda kuho. So guys, we went hoeing. Guys, we went hoeing and we came back with an STD. Kupigwa kidungi. Yeah, we went hoeing to kwa ES. Tuligo hoeing kwa ES. Tumechapwa na STD mbaya sana. Kaswendez. Malaya amekwambia rudi kwa bibi wache ujinga. Acha tu to stick na bibi maze. Let's just stick to the girlfriend, you know. Guys, don't hoe around. Huo six sister maze ametushow dust. Yeah, so ES is normally the sixth sister. The sixth sister gave us an STD. So guys, hii price inataka kufanya nini? Inataka kufanya nini? Sioni vizuri. Okay, so imerudi deep into this. So that's expected because yeah. So acha sasa tuanze juu tunajua moods na personalities za girlfriend wetu. So the fact that it has traded back into this, so good. Taken out these lows, good. So does it have the strength to trade above this first presented fair value gap? If so, then can it give us a breakaway gap? ama does it want to continue lower? So also guys, I'm watching, unaona hii high, hii low, hii high high, so I'm also watching this. So hii level, the fact that imefanya hivi, I'm also watching. hmm? I'm also watching. So kama hii high, hii low na hii low, hii high high, hii hapa still ni hiyo level yetu. We ni aje Real Madrid? Nimeona mtu kama Real Madrid. So hii price leo, aya, acha tu ho around kiasi tena tuone. So imerudi hapa juu. Nice. Okay. But then hii inakaa safi kwangu. Sijui mbona. Inakaa safi sana. Good afternoon. Oh, Mr. K. Welcome. You're welcome. Time frame ni 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. So, Mr. K, what's your narrative, or what's your bias? So, this week is cooked. If you can't take if you can't take low hanging fruits, then okay. So guys, right now there's high, low, higher, high. So we failed to trade above koju. So hii hapa iko promising. We are watching. So easy levels mingi. Let me now take out this. I call that sell down. Nice one. Oops. So this idea still valid. Pre-market session, sell side in play. We are going down short. So we want to wait and see. We want to see. 1 minute, yes. So hii market si ya ile ya watu wa kufinya stop loss kama sisi. Yeah. Isi ya watu wa kufinya stop loss. Unaachilia stop loss yako huko. So, our six sister. So yeah. Nitakuja nyuma ya tent baadaye. Nice. So 5 minutes hata kwa huo six sister wetu, like tuko na hii low, high, lower low, took it out, inacheza around hii level. So still huko pia low, high, lower low, boom. In as much as he may pull deep, but then the way this IFVG is holding, yeah, the way it's holding, and the wicks are the ones that doing the damage. The bodies in a stay up hivi, so will dump, I believe. Yes. Okay. Try back into the first presented for look. Project X is down. Hata imenisaidia nisipate STD. Hiyo Project X ni gani? Mm. But then hadi like ijaniua hadi. Mm. Hiyo trade imetoka break even. Ni broker wa Tradify pia. Oh. Oh yeah, Oduru na trading ina Tradify. Nice. Project X. Wow. So it's now promising high resistance liquidity run. Okay. Mostly takes out yesterday's low. Okay. Okay. Okay, all your ideas are right. So I'm not invalidating any idea. Got chopped, my account gone. Sorry, W simply. Yeah, so funny thing with these accounts that you can still get a new one. Yeah, you can still get a new one. Wakubali na wakoshe na kubali Kenya. Do you trade gold? No, but I normally like analyzing it. Yeah, just for some of my students. So, but I don't trade it. I don't trade it. I don't trade it. Naweza kupea shoulder to lean on. Hey. Oh. So gold, I still believe we are still bullish kwa gold. So ilikuwa suspension block, we trade into this suspension block. So pushing price huku juu. First is the rejection block. Look for that, and then this week's consequent encroachment, that trade level tumemark, and then finally the high. Combination ya gold ni kifo. Yeah. Maze. We. So guys, still I don't know the direction it was to take, cause still it's playing around these levels that I marked, that I was watching. So this one, the bodies are still closing above. Hiyo broker inaitwaje? Tradify. Hiyo yenye Odura anasema inaitwa Tradify. Sasa like ndo hiyo inaanza push. So guys, remember 10:30. So if by 10:30 that your idea doesn't materialize, then you know the drill. Yeah, so just like Jana, we wanted to go short, and then past 10:30 now we started to go long. Yeah, keep yourselves. By the Lucy setup zako ingiana. PM session might be promising. We'll take out that low. Setup zangu mi huona ziu ingiana, but si kila time, si kila siku. Okay, I'm not always I don't win each and every single day. napatanga ukichambua tu ukitegea. uh, so guys, if by 10:30, okay, if by 10:30 we don't come from this first presented fair value gap to the target, yeah, then just know that that idea is flawed, might be flawed. I mean, I'm not sure, but that's how I normally trade. That's how I normally trade. Uko Discord, yes, link iko kwa bio ya join, na pia follow niko hadi YouTube Lucy Trades. Yeah, so hizi recording zote kina mjengo Clark, hizi vitu zote, you know, ukitaka hizi recording zote like nazipost pale YouTube, so unaweza angalia. But then this price today is that. So we've got enough. So for those who are just coming right now, we tried trading this yes, so yes, simply Nasdaq's sister, and yeah, we caught an STD, so it traded back, but then it's not a loss, so break even kinda. Price today is top, yeah. So once you see something like this, then achana tuna just sit on hands, or if at all you entered here, your stop should be here. NQ in a drop sasa. Yes, price today is choppy. NQ in a drop sasa. Okay. Yeah, acha tu drop. So 5 minutes trade below this. Saa ingine ni ngumu. So what I was saying initially, what was our idea on NQ? So past 10:30, we now change it and start looking for new setup, okay? So by 10:30, we start looking for new things. So because our initial idea is flawed and it doesn't want to do what we wanted to see it do, we share trades there, yes. So Kinaikiru, mnafaa mshare your trades huko, your executions. Nice. So a new setup is now forming. So guys, mkwe macho. Something fishy is going on. Something fishy. Okay? So just open your eyes wide. And experience what's about to happen. I want you to experience what's about to happen. I was looking for what wanna trade nikiwa nimewapata. Yes, karibu. So yeah, just follow this account. Yeah, so even me when I started, you know, Give me a measuring cup. So even me, when I started, I thought I was the only person trading Nasdaq in Kenya. But then I came along the likes of Kina Odekodur, the likes of Kina Tolman, the likes of Kina Ikiru, the likes of Kina. So kuna watu wengi, the likes of Kina MK. So in as much as the likes of Kina Lost Boy, the likes of Kina Nyaga, Stefan, in as much as Nyaga I think is trading gold. Yeah. Yeah, so I came along those guys, such nice people. Yeah. And the markets are respecting them. NQ is really respecting those guys. So don't panic. Welcome home. Turn, 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 turn. So 1 minute, 1 minute. So guys, our first idea flowed. So it's now giving us our second setup. So if only if you can see it, only if you have the eyes to see it, only if you have the DNA to see it, then you'll get it. But if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have a system, then I'm sorry. It's a slow day. We've been taken out on 2 trades, break even. Nice. At least you're managing your risks. That's all that matters. So 10:30. Nekiro gave me a measuring gap. Yeah, so Ekiru knows what he's doing. So hiyo kitu yenye unaona hadi mimi ndo naona. Yeah, that thing that you're seeing, I'm also seeing it. If you're not seeing it, then I'm also not seeing it. Yup. Akili juu, yeah. Akili juu mtu wangu. Kuna watu washaiona, kuna watu hawajaiona. So kama hujaiona, itabidi umengojea. By then time nitakuwa nakuonyesha itakuwa ishafanyika. So itabidi unangojea. Niwaambie ama ninyamaze? Nyamaza tu. Wewe venye umeiona wewe. Venye umeiona wewe tu act. Yeah? Yeah, Mr. K. Silale tu hapa. Lucy ulipata bibi. Aya, sasa niko back. So chafu chafu nice. Oduor na kuona. Mtafanya nipigwe. Naweza pigwa ukimwambia hivyo. Zetu zetu. Aya, sasa kuna wale wenye washaiona. Yeah. Ay. Aya, sasa acha tuangalie the six sister. Six sister already isha close, isha trade above. Waiting for a retest of the first presented favor lookup. Really? Really now? Really, nigga? Patience, patience, patience. Lost boy long zimeivana. Nimeona bibi. Nice. Wewe tu umefungua macho. Tunaangalia prize. Tunaangalia prize. Aya, so it's doing that. So yes, ama S&P 500. Hii ishaenda. So hiyo imetrade huko juu sana. Sasa hapa ndo sasa inataka kudetermine those who I mean those who can see it and those who fail to see it. Those who can see it and those who fail to see it, okay? Still nothing for me. Still nothing. saa ingine ni ngumu. God damn it. Atimwambia tusalimie. Amewasalimia nyinyi wote. Majamaa kesho. Nice Ekiru. Yeah, know when to tosheka, you know. If you can't see what you want to see. Naona ni kama itarali up close to. Odwar, there we go. Turashio. Sisi ndio tutakuwa groomsmen. Alafu So Otixi, I hope umejoin hiyo Discord yetu. So nyinyi hadi mshapanga wedding. Aya, so first presented Favaloga. Yeah, nice. So hiyo trade ulikuwa umeshika, tumie tu hiyo markup yako huko. Ay, we. Oh, 5 minutes kuna breakaway. But sa Odoro, unaona kitu inafanyika? Sa hiyo itakufunza. Hiyo sasa itakufunza. Aya, so So hapa ndo sasa ilikuwa ina determine wenye walikuwa wameiona from wenye hajaiona. So those who saw it and those who didn't see it. So if I'm amongst the people who didn't see it, then tricky maze, tricky sana. Saa ingine ni ngumu. So tunataka i-close huku chini. If it can close huku chini. Ten fifty to 11:10, there is normally a macro. Macro. Macro window. Hii price tu ni crazy maze. Crazy, 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 crazy. Crazy, crazy. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Mm. So leo nataka kuacha tu stop loss yangu huko juu. So stop imabaki huko juu ikitutoa then maze noma. So wale wenye walikuwa wameona break above wakaingia pullback, stop loss walieka wapi? Ni kama imewatoa. We stick back was driving. Okay, welcome. Don't drive and trade. Don't drive and trade. Might cause unnecessary discomfort. So says it, right now we are inside the macro 1050 1110 macro. So if it wants to take out as out, then it should give us some large candle. So kitaka kuchapa ichake huko juu, huko kukaje, ni kugumu maze. Yeah, so kugumu. Didn't follow my rules today, that's why I lost. It's okay. We are also losing. Mm, 24,535 for each week. Not good, not good, not good. Huku tunaumia, sisi mashabiki ndo tunaumia. And by the way, guys, for me, I'm trading demo, okay? I'm trading demo account. So I said the whole of November and December, I'll be trading demo. So if we close above this fair value gap, then end of the road. Not financial advice. Mm. Saa ingine ni ngumu. What's wrong, Mr. K? What's wrong? What's wrong? So let's look at the sixth sister. So guys, today's price action is just nuts. So if it takes us out, then this will be the last one. This will be the last one for today. And finally, boom. So this week, not good. So, and there we go. Okay. Okay. So in my demo, in my demo, I'm now back to 3614. So right now we just read it. Right now we just read it. You're keeping your cells. Okay, nice. Ni uchungu ati so guys, it might pain me that after closing manually, then now it wants to trade lower. Not good, not good. So there's return here. Those who wanted to go long, ingekuwa nini yako. Stop. Opa. So for me, I'm done. So let's just watch price, okay? So these levels respected that wanted to go lower, but then yeah. So there's return here. If you wanted to go long, that one there could be yours. Stop loss just here. And now we ride higher, okay? So let's look at the higher time frame. We see where we want to trade to. So there's high, also there's high here. Suspect, okay? Suspect. So after chopping us around here, Funny. But then again, guys, it's funny how we did our analysis and we were bullish. It's funny how we did our analysis, we were bullish, okay? So there's our levels respected. But now the question remains, why did we want to go short? Why? Why did we want to sell? Why? Hmm? Why was I selling? Why? Why did I want to go short? Why did I want to go short? Yeah? Why did I want to go short? Why? After doing the analysis, our levels imehold. Mbona tunataka kushuka? Mbona? Hmm? So, so vitu kama hizi ndo right now, like, yeah. So such things, okay, me saying this and then doing the opposite. So mentally, I don't feel like I'm still ready to execute any of my funded accounts because of that. Yeah, so the reason why I said I'll be executing my demo on demo account is because yeah, so external, I mean, what? External reasons. So the external environment. So guys, the external environment can affect your trading, okay? So if you feel like you're not in the right mindset or head frame to manage your accounts, then just let it go. You'll be self-sabotaging the way I'm doing. Yeah, so that's nice. Okay, Mr. K, it's over. So it's like I'll trade the sorry, sasa imebaki moja. So I normally give myself I mean, I still have two more executions. So I'll keep that for the PM session. Okay. I'll keep that for the PM session. Because the first one was BE and some small profit. These are the one taken out completely. So nice. Hello, hi, hello. Failed to see that. There's one here. Try back into it. Not worth it, not worth it. So guys, mm, let me see, let me see. One hour. PM live. Ah, hiyo tricky kidogo. Okay, sijui but tunaweza ingia tu. Ten, 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 ten. PM session. Where? Getting cooked live. Nasdaq trader gets cooked live. Sengine ni ngumu. Sengine ni ngumu. Lost bar ameingia hizo longs. Nice, nice one, nice one. So now what next? The market was something else today. Okay. So to those who blew their accounts, to those who lost, those who missed their entries, tomorrow is also another day, okay? Don't panic. I'm still holding shots. Mr. K, still holding shots. So how's your SL placement then? How's your SL placement? I don't use SL. Oh my god. Never use SL. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. You mean you can how many points are these? Okay, so let's see. Wow. So Mr. K, do you trade your personal account? I close manually. So do you are you trading a personal account? Cause this crazy. Yes, personal account. Wait. Always. Then I might look for you. You also fund me. Yeah. So if you're looking for someone to fund, I'm here. Yeah. So if you're looking for someone to fund, I'm here. I went 15 pips above my entry. Yeah, that's crazy. So again, I'm just saying, if you, which is nothing. Wow. Oh my days. This is interesting. So if you're looking for someone to fund, I can also help you manage your. Wow. But then that's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Utafanyiwa backdoor forex mentorship we. Ay. But then imagine like mtu uko mavitu alo semaje. So back in profits, I'm holding this sell. Yeah, where did you enter from? Yeah, where did you enter from? We've taken out this high. Where? I'm surprised. Shape so 26. Oh, okay, okay. So you entered 26. But 26 to 32. What do you mean? 26. Acha ni kufollow fellow Nasdaq today. Yeah, follow. Two chains. 26 to 32. Man. 25, okay. 25 to 32. Okay. But then that's crazy, you know? That's crazy. That's crazy. Hey, say ni mgori. No stop loss. Yeah. And touch liquidity, okay. SL ni margin call. Mbroka gani? Magi, tumia Pepperstone. Kwa nataka kufund live yako. Pepperstone. Ama, but then there's just paper trading. So the brokers just come to this point where we have brokers list. Okay, so brokers list. So we're having TraderVet, Pepperstone, IC Markets, Easy Markets, Think Markets, Capital.com, Binance. Yeah, so you can just connect if you have 8 cap, if you have what Pepperstone Think Markets account, if you have IC Markets, Easy Markets account, then you can link your account. But for me, I'm paper trading, so yeah, I'm paper trading right now. Do you trade futures? He only trades silver. Adua racha mbaya. Wow. Niaje W simply. Semaje? Yeah, so W simply, I hope when you are new here, so you're welcomed. So we normally go live each and every single day. So from 5:30 because of DST, but then during those other times we normally begin 9:30 a.m. New York time. So yeah, hiyo na 100 kwa screen, unaona kama ni asset class gani? Get into features perform. No, not new. I follow you with my another trading account. Okay, nice. Yeah, so you need to follow us. Know the difference. TP1, Collins Njoki. Wow. Took the same. Okay. Nani, you know very well you can't trade features if you are in Kenya. If you're from Kenya, so the only way you can trade features is through using a prop firm. Okay, so through using a prop firm, but you can trade CFDs if you can. I'm from Kenya, so how do you do it? So which broker? Yeah, which broker? Kindly do share. Is it TraderVet? You can. I'm from Kenya. Okay. So if not through prop firms, then which broker? Interactive broker. So is that the name of the broker? Interactive broker. So let me check. So guys, kwa wale wenye wako hapa, let me screenshot this. So the fact that so let me see, interactive broker. So guys, I normally say that you guys are the people who are teaching. Mimi si ati najua anything. Interactive. So interactive brokers. So I'll do my research on that. Yeah, sasa unaona hapo ndo sasa like, so now 25k USD. So you find that most traders like, most if you're a beginner and you want to venture into features, then you find that that's too much. Around 3 million. Trade closed loss today. So tomorrow, Mr. K, tomorrow is also another day. Try Tradify prop firm then. Yeah, we know of Tradify. Yeah. So we know of Tradify. And we also know of the next. Yeah. But then if I'm looking for re-entry. Really? Just wait for the PM session. Just wait for the PM session. Yeah, don't revenge. Just wait for the PM session. A cleaner setup will appear. Don't chase, don't chase. Mm, so interactive brokers. So two chains, maze. Uh, I guess right now, Mimi, Kinoduor, Lost Boy, simply two chains. Like we are the only people who now know that we can trade. I mean, there's some brokerage firm that's offering features trading in Kenya. If most so if you're from Kenya, so that I didn't know. So right now I know. So one more knowledge into my knowledge bank. So today I've learned a new thing. So that's a plus for me. Mm, Tradify. So two chains you're trading. I mean you're trading features. Two chains. Oriented cells. First time I'm hearing interactive also. Yeah. Yeah. So Lost Boy, you're new, like we've learned a new thing all together. Okay. So that's great. Oriented cells. Want advice? I want advice. Maybe you can wait for the PM session. So in the next 1 hour, we're having PM lunch. Then the other one, so just after 2 hours. So the next 4H candle. Just wait for the next 4H candle. Yeah. So around 2:30, 1:30 to 30 there ish, you can find a good setup. Yeah. Or if you want to enter on a second stage distribution, you can wait for 3:15. I mean, the PM session is normally easy to trade, the easiest to trade. Yeah, I do pro farm and personal account. Then respect, mad respect, bro. Respect. Yeah. So Alan is asking how much do you need to trade micros in the interactive brokers. So two chains, you can just help us answer this because for me I'm new. This knowledge is new to me. Yeah, and also Mr. K. You can also tell us which brokerage firm you're using. Yeah, to trade your trade features in your country, South Africa. 2K minimum. So 2K USD. Oh, Volt Markets. So Mr. K is using Volt Markets. So I don't think that's operational in Kenya. So let me see. Volt Markets. Also, you are trading, Mr. K, you are trading CFDs because Vault market is only a forex level. Let me trade by myself. Leo nilikuwa nimejaribu sales nikapigwa kidungi. Only way you can trade futures is by pro firms. You can scale up easily. Okay, nice. So Vault market is from South Africa, but then it's a CFD. So Mr. K, you are trading CFDs. Oh, that's good. Okay, so that's why you can hold. I mean, you can hold such losses. I mean, because let's say if you are trading futures, then if you enter somewhere here and you have this drawdown, then this will be so much money. Oh, 5k. You normally deposit 5k USD, so that's good. That's good. So last week I saw you killed the market, so, and you said that you are having your first loss after 2 weeks, so you're still better off, and you've been in this game for around 5 years. I don't use a sell, but then we can't recommend. And if I start trading with a pro firm for futures, which platform am I going to use? MT5. Yeah, so 2 chains amenisaidia kujibu hapo. So 11:30 early exit. Buys with profit. Nice. So this was my target here, this level here. So we've tagged it, and so guys, if at all you want to continue trading higher, then if we can close above here, then this fair value gap, this order block, we'll utilize it some other day. So this will be an order block, so we'll be utilizing it. If we can close this, for each can close above this level, and the next one open. So PM session, we'll see if it's a continuation towards this fair value gap, or we want to trade back into this order block. So something like that, or it might as well just trade back into the fair value gap. And also so the daily, yeah, so still we are having the daily fair value gap that we highlighted, and %, 50, so consequent encroachment here, then 75% level, and then the whole fair value gap. So just look at those quadrant levels. So 25%, we trade into that level on Monday 17th, and we've been playing around it I mean, just around this level. So today, if we can push higher into the 50%, and then if it can give us fair value gaps, then we'll see if we can push into this 75, and then finally the all of this fair value gap. Yeah, Tradify enough and then next true. Yeah, so that's that. Mm. So I'm still bullish, still bullish. So guys, tomorrow we are not having any news, but then we'll just be in the markets. We'll be in the markets and see what happens. So this high was smooth. Tomorrow is holiday, yeah. But then we'll just be reading price. Just be reading price. This high smooth. Tomorrow is a holiday. So most probably the price action will be shitty. So it's like we are bullish. We are bullish. Done for the month personally. Nice. Yeah, that's the mindset, you know. Because Friday also we are not having anything. We also not having any news on Friday. So we took one loss today. And so guys, it's 10:36 and yeah, so look at that daily fair value gap. So it's like we are going to fill it completely and then see if it has the ability or the wherewithal to trade up into this 4H fair value gap. Yeah, but then during lunch expect some pullback, some relatively equal highs. So those are some of the things that I'll be looking for, and then if I see something that I like, I will execute. Yeah, and send the executions to the Discord. Yeah, tukutane after. Yeah, so guys, see you guys tomorrow, you know. Or if I find time, I might come back at 2:30. So that's just slightly 30 minutes after the 4H opens, the next 4H opens. Yeah, so Lost Boy, thank you for the gifts. Mm, thank you for the gifts. Yeah, Regis, what's good, bro? You good? Yeah, it's like mm, I'm having some new friends from South Africa also. Chepiso, I think that's a South African name, and Lesofe, Mr. K. Yeah, bye. So guys, yeah, you can now just can now just exit. Yeah, yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm good. We were waiting for sales, not anymore. Mm, okay, right now I'm not rooting for sales. Or if we are going to get sales, then it might just be a small retracement then. Because if you look at the daily, right now the only thing that's attracting price, okay, the only magnet for price right now is this fair value gap. This is the magnet right now. This is the only thing that's attracting price. Okay, so we might as well feel the all of it. Okay, yeah, because I can see in the 15 minutes we're having some fair value gaps. Having some fair value gaps. Yeah. So once we have a fair value gap like this, around these levels that are marked, price returns into it. So this gives it the momentum to push forward higher. Around the 50%, if this one gives us a fair value gap, then price just comes into it and then pushes into this 75% level. Again there, if it gives us something, if it fails, returns into the 50% level and then finally does that, pushes higher into and balances this imbalance, this fair value gap, the whole of it. So that's how you're going to read price. But again, you can wait for the PM session. If you want to go short, then maybe the PM session you'll find that it has completed all of that, so that you will be coming for that pullback. So during that pullback you can go short. Yeah, so that so how do you calculate lot size on futures? So I have that uh, I have a series that I did on futures, so I highlighted everything. It's on my YouTube, Lucy Trades. Yeah, so you can just check it out. So there's a way that you calculate so if you're trading futures, there's a way that you calculate the points. So there's a difference between ticks and points. Yeah, so 1 point has 4 ticks, and if you're trading NQ or ES, there's a value per point. Okay, so there's a value per point, so that one you need to know. So let's say if yes, the value per point is $12 $12.50, and NQ, let's say $5. Okay, so there's a way that you calculate. So it's the amount divided by, is it divide by the points and then divide by value of the points. So let's say you wanted to raise $500, so it's that $500 divided by, if you are trading, let's say 10 points, so divide by 10, or 20 points, divide by 20, and then the value of the value of 1 point is $20. So divide by 20, divide by 20, so it's 500 divided by 20, then divide by 20. So that's the lot size that you'll be using. So I have the full series on my YouTube. So Lucy Trades, you can look it up. Yeah. Or if you're risking 1,000, it's 1,000 divided by, if you're Stop loss is 20 points. 1000 divided by 20, then divide by 20. So that's 1000 divided by 400. Then you do the maths. If you are risking 800, your stop loss is 20 points. That's 800 divided by 20, then divide by 20. So 800 divided by 400, that's 2. And also you need to know difference between minis and micros. Okay, yeah. So if that was helpful, then I hope I have to now sign off and do other things.